In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for construction. Getting started with a robust project management platform like Monday.com can significantly streamline your construction projects, from initial planning to final handover. It allows you to visualize workflows, track progress, and manage resources efficiently. The best way to leverage Monday.com for your construction needs is to begin with one of their tailored templates, which are specifically designed to address common industry challenges. The first thing you'll want to do to get started is locate the plus sign icon. This is typically found on the left-hand panel of your Monday.com interface, often depicted as a simple plus symbol. It's your gateway to adding new boards, workspaces, or, in our case, accessing the powerful Template Center. Clicking this icon will reveal a menu of options, giving you the flexibility to create various elements within your account. Don't worry if it seems like a small detail. This little plus sign is your starting point for unlocking a world of organizational tools. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to click on Template Center. The Template Center is a treasure trove of pre-designed boards and workflows, expertly crafted for a wide array of industries and purposes. For construction, this means you don't have to build everything from scratch. These templates are built on best practices and common industry requirements, saving you a tremendous amount of time and effort in setting up your project management system. It's an excellent resource for anyone looking to quickly implement an effective tracking and management solution. With the Template Center open, your next step is to efficiently find the templates relevant to construction. Look for a search bar or a category filter within the Template Center. Here, simply type in the word construction. This action will filter through the extensive library of templates and display only those specifically designed for the construction industry. Using the search function is key to quickly navigating the vast options available and pinpointing the most suitable starting point for your projects, whether you're managing large-scale builds, smaller renovations, or specific sub-projects. After typing in construction, you'll see a selection of specialized templates appear. Your final step here is to choose a template that best fits the specific needs of your project or company. Monday.com offers a variety of construction templates, ranging from project tracking and budgeting to resource allocation and site management. Take a moment to browse through the options, perhaps previewing a few to see their structure and included columns. Once you've found one that aligns with your workflow, simply select it. This chosen template will then be added as a new board to your Monday.com workspace, pre-populated with relevant groups, columns, and items, ready for you to customize and adapt to your exact project requirements. This initial setup is incredibly flexible, allowing you to tailor the template to your unique operational processes.